Gamers, and today I'm doing blindfold drawing challenge. Why not? So, got nothing to blindfold, by the way. But don't worry, I'm not going to be cheating. I'm going to cut off the whole thing because you're just going to see me blindfolded like this. There's not actually a point, so I'm just going to cut it off, and yeah. But first, thank you guys. On my old channel, I'm going to do a video about something after this video. I'm going to do a video about hitting 1,000 views on my old channel. So you'll see that. But first, let's do this video. I'm not going to cheat. I promise my whole life I'm not going to cheat. Unless if you actually want me to. But I can't find anything. Oh well. I'll just go to this. I'll be right back. Oh, and I forgot to, I'm going to draw a, what did I draw again? A fairy. There we go. I'm going to draw a fairy. So, see you. I'm back, and nice to tell you, it hasn't really worked out. So let's so basically, I don't know how to set this up. So this is meant to be a little house, but it didn't come out to it. Oh, and the windows are off of the house. This is my stick man, but this is actually meant to be a fairy, and the wings are over there. I tried to say, I was trying to do that. It says hello, but the O went out, and then these are like little sprinkles. And the mouth, I don't know if you can see it, but the mouth went near his neck, right there. So that doesn't work out. Let's just put fairy. Fairy. Now I'm going to leave my other page. And now I'm going to do let's do, oh, I'll try and do the YouTuber sign. It's probably easy. Okay, I'll do a YouTuber sign with all of the YouTubers I can think of, like write them next to it. But I have to do lines of it. Oh, so see you in a minute. Bye. And I'm not cheating. I am back and it turned out bad again. Why am I doing this challenge? I don't know, but I am doing this challenge. So, doesn't work out, as you can see. Right here, I should have. Wait, my mom's calling. 1 second, PayPal. Okay, wait a second. Sorry, I just had dinner. I'm gonna eat in a second now because I've finished the video. Sorry for this really short video, but I just wanted to do something today. Guys, I'll try to do videos every day. I'm not saying definitely, I'm saying try, and I might. If not, then I might do like about 4 times a week or something. We'll see what's going to happen. And yeah. Comment down below which one is the best. And of course, bye Baby Gamers, subscribe Baby Gamers, like Baby Gamers, and comment down what I should do next Baby Gamers.